Our last application based question was, you had a conversation with a tree in your backyard about conservation of nature. Share the same in a paragraph. The word limit was about 100 words, give and take 10, you can say. The rubrics were appropriate use of at least 4 new words from the text, relevance to the context to the given question, making one sentence each using although, though, not only or but also, and your linguistic abilities, that is correct tenses, preposition, verbs, and how creative you can be with this. So what I would have written if this question had come to me in my exam is, although the peepal tree in our backyard stood erect and elegant, you can identify the words, I could hear a wistful murmur emanating from somewhere nearby. Now I have used some more new words, wistful, something that is not very happy, sad and thoughtful. Murmur, that's again a word that I have taken from the text. Emanating, that is coming or having a source from somewhere nearby. I crept closer. It was the tree narrating the story of its life. It was speaking in a distressed tone, mourning the untimely demise of its cousin in the hands of mankind. See, I've already in the first sentence used the word although. Seeing her so miserable, I became sentimental. Again, sentimental taken from the text, and assured her that no such misery would befall her. So now I'm talking about conservation of nature. So again, deforestation, I have covered it. Mourning the untimely demise. Demise is death, untimely. So that means in the hands of mankind. So some man must have chopped it off. She rustled her leaves as if to thank me for my benevolent words. So obviously the tree cannot speak, but the tree can understand. So it rustles her leaves and thanks me because I assured her that no such misery would befall her because she is a part of our backyard. I am a thoughtful person and I would never ever cut it down. I would nurture it and love it. So I would conserve her. She is a part of nature. Then again, I am using a sentence with not only but also. I am concluding with, not only did I promise the tree but also prayed to God to protect Mother Nature from all harm. So I have promised the tree that no harm would befall it. Then, but I'm not really sure, that's me. It's my perspective. So, is the entire mankind thinking like this? So, I am also praying to God Almighty that please protect Mother Nature from all harm. May good sense prevail and may the entire mankind work for conservation of nature. So I have used new words. It has been relevant to the content. I have made it more or less like the story Nimai Forever. And I've also covered the conservation part of nature. I have used although in one sentence. I've used not only but also. I think I have not made any errors in tenses, prepositions and verbs, and I've tried to be as creative as possible. So again, I'm sharing this PDF with you.